Want to check out the local barangay here. Wally. Alright man, this is Barangay Sta.Maria in Pedro Gil Street. This is how it looks. Virtual tour of this place. We'll cross over here. It looks like there's something cool and interesting this way. Let's go. Barrio Sta.Maria. Barrio Barangay. We'll try to loop it. Cool toys.
Oke, kamusta?
Swing and the scaffold for them to repair stuff. Right across is Paradiso ng Bata, Kids Paradise. There's a pool there, playground, skate park, tennis, all that stuff. Swimming pool too. This is Pedro Gil Street. Also, what used to be close by here was the skate park. Manila skate park, but I don't know what happened to that. Concordia College. F.M.A. Guerrero Elementary School. Alright, we'll try to see what this pool thing is about. Check it out. Hey guys. Oh yeah.
9,000 vlog. Yeah, tag mo, ano?
Okay.
Nagbibig. Nahuli.
Lagot. So this is a pool that they have right near that little park down there. So that's cool. Pool party as well. I'll show you how this looks. So it looks like about 5 feet, 5 to 6 feet. There's the local barangay over there. I just want to show you the pool and this other one over here. Again, this is in Paco, right in Pedro Gil Street. This is for like a year-end event. I just wanted to see and check it out. Yeah, there is a kids pool right there. Cool.
Ang lungkot pag may sakit, pero pag magaling na ako, sabihin namin, Diyos ko.